Stuck in an automatic repair loop on Windows? Yeah. It's when your PC keeps restarting and trying to repair itself, but never actually boots. Don't worry. In this guide, I'll walk you step by step through fixing the automatic repair loop in 2026. Sometimes a simple restart works. Hold the power button to force shutdown, then turn your PC back on. If the loop persists, move to the next step. From the automatic repair screen, click Advanced Options to Troubleshoot to Advanced Options to Startup Settings to restart. Then press F4 or F5 to boot into safe mode or safe mode with networking. Safe mode loads minimal drivers and lets you troubleshoot without looping. Go back to Advanced Options and select Startup Repair. Windows will attempt to automatically fix corrupted files that may be causing the loop. Boot into safe mode with Command Prompt, type sfc/scano and press Enter. This checks for corrupted system files and repairs them automatically. In the same command prompt, type chkdsk/f/r and press Enter. This scans your hard drive for errors that might prevent Windows from booting. If the loop keeps happening, type bcdedit/set default recovery enabled no in command prompt. This temporarily disables automatic repair, letting Windows boot normally. If none of these fixes work, try System Restore to revert Windows to a previous working state, or use Reset This PC to reinstall Windows while keeping your files. And that's it. Following these steps usually fixes the automatic repair loop in Windows. Try them carefully, and your PC should boot normally again.